I'd like to kiss you, desperately kiss you, like I did in 1993. Summers came, years passed by, but I can still hear us singing. All these years together, and I remember each and every day. Still want to kiss you, desperately kiss you again, to feel that way. Summers came, years passed by, but I can still hear us singing.
Where do you live when you leave me? Are you downstairs buying cigarettes? Will you come back or will you forgive me? I can't remember to forget. Your funny laugh when I tried singing, your eyes that glance at me if I try to be chic with a long dress. Where do you live when you leave me? I find you every way I am. you somewhere or nowhere else? Will you come back or will you forgive me? I can't remember to forget your voice that called my name with that key, the smile that made my day just as sunny as a 15th August. Where do you live when you leave me? I just can't live without you. I just can't live without you, 'cause I find you everywhere I am.
Forget the past and the now. Cold blood is keeping us so close. At night we go into the dark light. Where did you lose your wings? And I ask feel free and always find the last wing. Feel free and close will keep you calm and see. We're running to the roof. We're running fast like wolves. We're running to the roof. Feel free and always find the last wing. Feel free and close will keep you calm and see. We're running to the roof. We're running fast like wolves. We're running to the roof.
수영 너 이기 때문에 수해.
Sunshine is kissing my face. You know what they say, you need to have darkness in order to see the light. And love is a stranger little creature, the chaser and misser, till one day you find her waiting there by your side. This is my time, the start of my new life. It's finally my turn to catch a shooting star. This is my sign, the start of a good time. The bad times are over and nothing can go wrong. 'Cause this is my new life. This is my new life. Something about me feels different. I can't quite explain it, and maybe I shouldn't, 'cause some things can't be explained. The world is a huge empty canvas, and I have the colors to paint me the future that I always had in mind. This is my